We are pleased to show you the 2012 Chevy Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup, and it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Bose sound system, traction control, XM satellite radio, anti-lock braking system, running boards, four-wheel drive, heated seats, power passenger seat, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.